We hope to accomplish that, Colonel Mosby's name be reestablished on the Ranger Memorial and also the Ranger Hall of Fame. And just remember, it's about history. It's not about the Civil War or anything like that. It's about preserving our history and the phenomenal thing that, Colonel Mosby did.
Well, we were shocked because he was not on the list that came down from the Department of Defense to be removed. The installation arbitrarily pulled his name off the Hall of Fame, even though he never was on the list. That's what's really shocking to us. This hearing is to determine whether the case can go forward or not. After we filed our lawsuit, the DOJ immediately filed a motion to dismiss. And so the judge will rule today whether the case moves forward or not.
We want to put emphasis on his civilian service, as being an ambassador, being part of the Ranger Hall of Fame, also being part of the National Ranger Memorial, more than just what you did during the war. It's also the total service to God, to the country.
If you actually read the Renaming Commission legislature, it actually says you're supposed to take into account pre and post service, and also get with the community. Check on community sensitivities. Nobody in the Ranger community was ever asked. There's only been about 100,000 Rangers that have graduated from Ranger school since 1950. You could probably say over 50% of them are already passed away. And yet nobody in any Ranger that I've talked to out of the hundreds that I know have ever been asked about the removal of his name.
We're just going to take it a day at a time. Whatever comes after this hearing right here, we're going to move on to the next stage.
Talking in military terms, this is the first of what we hope are many hearings to come, because if we get through this, then we go to trial. And we are praying every day that God is with us in every step and decision we make. We're not trying to be radicals or crazies or anything like that. We're just trying to lead by example. And as Max said earlier, he nailed it. We can't forget our history. No matter how good or bad it is, we have to remember it because we learn from it so we don't make those same mistakes in the future.